My name is Stéphan Ferrero. I'm a civil engineer and team leader for the Port and Coastal Department at Norda Stelo. Stelar is a relevant and innovative tool in the field of port and coastal engineering. The knowledge of asset condition is an issue that constantly concerns our clients. We've learned that our clients' critical need is not only to know the condition of an asset, but also to determine what is required to extend the life of their structures. How will an initiative extend an asset's life, and what impact will it have on its life if the rehabilitation work is delayed due to a lack of cash flow? This is an essential information that is unfortunately rarely documented. There are specific intervention options to extend the life of an asset. Demonstrating the value of one investment versus another is not always supported by an overall view of the port's challenges. In such a complex context, Stelar becomes an essential decision support tool. We gather information for analysis, such as we centralize previous inspection reports, we complete asset diagnostics, we can establish a health index for each asset, we can also evaluate the residual life of these assets, we examine what needs to be replaced, and in brief, we establish what the current situation is. Once the assessment has been established, we develop an intervention plan to identify upcoming actions and interventions. These actions are determined based on the consequences of not taking action. An important added value of Stelar is to combine our expertise with the data intelligence that's present in the platform. We gather information and support our clients in the interpretation of this information. Our team of engineers and technicians specialized in ports are constantly supporting this process. We have more flexibility in establishing or revising the plan as the data is already there and has evolved. We can forecast potential change of an asset in advance. Stelar can help in the context of numerous staff departures towards retirement. We're seeing this, for example, with a client who has just taken control of the infrastructure for which they did not have any information at all. The platform is an opportunity to centralize this information and then structure it to get the most relevant information. We can also prepare an intervention plan to structure decision-making in the future.